Good morning students and welcome again to e-learning classes on behalf of Modern English School. I myself Anjana Dikshit from New Area Senior Wing. Children, this video is for class 8 and today we'll read lesson 5, The Summit Within. Children, it is a very interesting story, but I mean to say it is not a story, but it is a fact. The writer has written this about his own experience when he climbed to the summit. Now, before explaining the lesson, let me tell you about the writer of this lesson, who is Ahluwalia. Mr. Haripal Singh Ahluwalia was born on 6 November 1936 and brought up in Shimla along with his two sisters and two younger brothers. His father was employed as a chief engineer in the Central Public Work Department. Mr. H.P.S. Ahluwalia was a member of the first successful Indian expedition to Mount Everest in 1965. He climbed the Mount Everest on 29th May 1965 along with his friends Rawat and Pihu Gorji. In the Indo-Pakistan War of 1965, he was injured and confined to a wheelchair. In spite of wheelchair, he is the recipient of many awards like Padma Bhushan, Arjun Award, the National Award for the best work done in the field of disability. He won the Tenzing Norgay National Adventure Award for Lifetime Achievement on August 29, 2009. He has written several books like Higher Than Everest, Beyond the Himalayas, and Everest is Within You. Now children, as the title is, so you should know the meaning of the title. The Summit. Summit means, what do you mean by summit? The highest point of a hill or a mountain. And within means inside. Clear? The Summit Within is a story of experiences of Mr. H.P.S. Ahluwalia, a member of the first successful Indian expedition to Mount Everest. Ahluwalia was full of humility when he stood on the summit of Everest. He thanked God for his physical success. It was the highest of the goals of him. While getting down from the summit, he asked himself why he climbed Everest and what made him to do so. The people climb mountains because they present great disabilities. Man takes delight in overcoming obstacles. A climb to a summit means the demonstration of climber's endurance, willpower, and persistence. Since childhood, the narrator had been attracted towards the mountains. So, here he explained his own experience in this lesson. Clear children? And tomorrow I'll explain again this lesson, second part of this. Today I have just told the summary. So children, you'll read the lesson yourself so that you'll understand well when I'll explain tomorrow. That's all, children. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.